Okay, so this is question number 2. This is Dakota Peterson again. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and just make a new text document here. I'm going to call it DISM list. Alright, we're going to go ahead and leave this. So I actually, if you can see, I did a million different, ways of trying to figure this out. I did figure it out though. So that was the end feature, but I'm gonna go ahead and that's the end line that I'm gonna do here in a second. But so if I want to see DS, I am wrong one. Online get features. That'll show me the whole list. And so to save that, I am going to use this, which is just the arrow over, which shows the where I want to save that specifically to. So if I go do that, if I open up this, it saves all of the features to this text document. So there we go. Okay.